there, I'm a local realtor with EXP. My name is Heather Gill, and I am talking today with Jenna Zebrowski. She's an attorney here in the Dallas area, principal attorney and owner of Law by Jay-Z. Jenna, I appreciate your time today.
I appreciate you asking me to be on here, Heather.
Good deal. Well, I've got a great question for you, and I know you can answer this for us and get us on the right track. So tell me what you think of this question that came in from TexasElder.care. It says, my spouse will get the business because he or she is on the title. Do I need a will? What do you think?
Wow. Yes, you need a will. I'll give you the short answer. Everybody in the state of Texas should have some form of estate planning, a will, a trust, whatever suits your needs best. So in this case, the will definitely help. There's some other documents I would probably recommend as well because there's a business involved. Are there other people? Is it just a husband and wife or two spouses that own this property? Or are there other investors, equity partners, owners, beneficial people? Who else is involved in this business and may have a claim on it? So that's the first question that I would really want to have answered before I could give a more complete answer. In this case, I'd say, yes, you need a will. If nothing else, you've got a house, a car, family heirlooms, other things other legacy that you want to take care of. So you need to have a will for that. Regarding the business, just because somebody's on the title, that's not necessarily the most efficient or effective way to pass a business. There's tax implications, there's ownership issues. If there's other people besides just two spouses that are involved, either as managers, financially, key employees, it can get really sticky and really expensive. So it's probably best to do some business legacy planning, maybe not necessarily through a will, but through more business-oriented documents. And it would also be a good chance for other people, especially if they're not related, to get some planning in place as well. A horrible situation is usually one where there's multiple people that own a company and one of them passes, and then suddenly the other people are in business with a spouse who doesn't want to be in business with them, and vice versa. And that's what happens if you don't plan for it, and then you have to buy them out or deal with it. Not fun. So even if it's yourself and your spouse, still important to make sure that they've got the ability and authority to run that business and to get the assistance and the ownership benefits that they need. So get yourself a will and get yourself some business legacy planning as well, is what I would suggest.
You've mentioned in some other discussions we've had that, if you don't have a will, the state of Texas will have a will for you. Even if you have a business and you have title and you have other things, like, you have to make it very clear what the intention is after you pass, or it's just a free for all, it sounds like. And that's not a fun thing for anybody to go through, especially when you're going through a time of grieving. That's the last thing you want to deal with, is having to deal with extra craziness.
It's expensive, it's time consuming, and it is draining. Better to spend a little bit of time planning ahead to avoid big, expensive issues down the road. If you don't deal with them now, your heirs will deal with them later.
Now or later. You heard it from Jenna. So I would say do it now, and she can help you get that going. She's a professional. She knows how to get the stuff put together correctly. And she's got the mind to do it well. And you would do well to reach out to her. So you can reach her through that email there, or you can go on her website. She'll do a free complimentary appointment just to kind of see what you need. And you can book that appointment on her website there. Jenna, thank you so much again for your time.
Thanks again, Heather. Appreciate it.